Say you wanna get away. We don't need a plane. I could be your escape. Take you to a place where there's no time.
I don't know what time? Like 1:30 early.
I want perfect thing.
Yeah. Yeah. Just get 3, yeah. That. Any, like, bacon and the other one, the bacon, if they had it. I really like.
Sauce and gravy.
Oh, what? Which one?
Back there. Sauce and biscuit, gravy. Sauce and gravy biscuit.
No.
You want one?
It's one of them.
Hey everyone, wanna say hi? Mom, like no. My mom just, what you doing? Oh, she don't want me. Oh, you just sleep over there. But my girl's asleep on my iPad watching TV, checking her email. Makeup. Maybelline. It's like the first one I got, and this is the number I'm using. First stop getting this, we're using the purse. So I'm gonna go and make a new video for makeup, Valentine's Day makeup. So I'm gonna do that and talk to y'all after that.
I'm going to be doing a Valentine's makeup look, and I'm just going to show y'all so y'all know when I'm going to do it. I'm gonna do it right now. Oh, yeah. I already messed up. Hey y'all. So today I'm going to be doing a Valentine's makeup tutorial look, and I got
done now. You'll probably see that I'm in the bathroom. It's because it's getting, the sunlight's not coming. It was out, now it's getting kind of almost getting dark, so I decided to come in the bathroom and film my video, the rest of the middle of the video. And so I might do that from now on and make my videos in the bathroom, like, you know, makeup looks, because sometimes, especially this weather, it be raining and stuff, the sun don't be out that much really. So but I'm gonna go wash this off, and I like this makeup. I'm gonna keep it on, but this makeup came out really good. I like it. I used that new eyeshadow and the new foundation, because I got the new one, the I can't say American, I mean Maybelline foundation. So the fitting, I think I said it right. But I'm gonna wash this off, and I'll talk to y'all doing after I do this. So yeah. It broke apart when I washed it. I twisted around my sponge, my makeup sponge thing. And I just bought it today, and I'm now rinsing it out. Oh Lord, I should not got this one, but I got 2 of these, so it's fine. I don't have to go buy another one, but I might still go buy one. I'm gonna buy the other. Oh Lord, why?
Kurt.
This is not the wheel, right? I like John Cena's challenge. I also like the fact that Listen, the person that loses this match.
Kurt Angle should have said the two guys.
Sorry, it's just bright in this light. Right now I am watching some YouTube on me, my mom, my brother's new flat screen TV. Let's see. YouTube. I just love and enjoy YouTube because it keeps me busy. But right now I'm trying to I just found me a new dental plan. So, because Medicaid they don't like in their Medicaid program, they don't take dental plan. So I got the dental plan outside of Medicaid. So yeah, it sucks really bad. But today we got stuff done. We went to the housing authority for my mom's renewing her voucher, and so that's what I'm doing. I'm looking at a retirement thing. It's a thing that tells you when you're working about this.
I redo it. I got something to read. See, she'll turn right here. Then the other one will come this way too. And it'll turn
That way. This way. Okay, go back. Okay.
turn right here. And go twist. Yeah. I live at 12.
Space, I could be your private island on a different planet.